We are living in an age of unprecedented and amazing innovation. From entire industries like manufacturing and computing to everyday tasks like organizing the family calendar, we are becoming more effective, more efficient. Seemingly anything is possible or becoming possible. But this doesn't just happen on its own. Behind every basement startup, innovative breakthrough, social media trend, or viral recipe is an invisible force called nuclear power. Whether it's making our lives easier, making our air cleaner, or making our future dreams possible, nuclear makes it happen.